Welcome, EagleIoT users. Ready to navigate EagleIoT like a pro? Join us as we explore the powerful search features designed to help you pinpoint modules and submodules with ease. Learning this search technique will optimize your workflow within EagleIoT, empowering you to tap into its full capabilities. To begin your search, navigate to the tab's navigation bar and identify the search icon. Clicking it will reveal a dedicated search field designed to assist you in locating any module or submodule within the system. Enter your search query within the dedicated field. Whether it's the full module name or a keyword, EagleIoT's robust search functionality will efficiently locate the desired module or submodule for you. Searching for modules and submodules in EagleIoT is quick and easy. Stay tuned for more tutorials as we explore the diverse functionalities of EagleIoT. If you have any questions or need support, please don't hesitate to visit our website www.avl-ksa.com/contact-us. Discover additional tips and tutorials, stay connected for updates, and unlock the full potential of your EagleIoT journey.